Hello, young explorers. Welcome back to the Reading Readiness Centers. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey to delve deep into the incredible world of the human eye. Get ready, because this is going to be a fascinating adventure. Our eyes are like windows to the world. They help us see and experience everything around us. But how do they work? Let's find out. The human eye is a true wonder of nature. It's our window to the world, allowing us to experience the beauty that surrounds us. But have you ever wondered how it works? Let's uncover the mysteries of this incredible organ. The human eye is an amazing organ that allows us to see the world around us. It's about the size of a ping-pong ball, and it's made up of many different parts. The eye has several important parts. It's like a camera that takes pictures of the world. We have the cornea, iris, pupil, the lens, and the retina. These parts work together to create the images we see. The cornea. Think of the cornea as the clear window at the front of the eye. It helps to protect the eye and lets in light. Iris. The iris is the colored part of the eye. It controls the amount of light that enters the eye. Pupil. The pupil is the black hole in the middle of the iris. It changes size to let in more or less light. The lens. The lens is a clear structure behind the iris. It helps to focus light onto the retina. The lens is like the zoom on a camera. It changes shape to focus on objects near and far. This is how we can see things clearly. The retina. The retina is a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eye. It contains light-sensitive cells that convert light into electrical signals. These signals are then sent to the brain, which interprets them as images. How we see. When light enters our eye, it goes through the cornea and lens, and then it lands on the retina. The retina sends signals to our brain, which creates the pictures we see. It's like magic. Taking care of our eyes. Our eyes are precious, so we must take good care of them. Remember to eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, and protect your eyes from the sun. The human eye is a truly amazing organ. It allows us to see all sorts of amazing things, from the smallest flower to the largest mountain. So, let's take care of our eyes. Did you know that our eyes can see millions of different colors? Or that blinking helps keep our eyes moist? Eyes are amazing. So, there you have it, the incredible human eye. It's a marvelous creation that lets us explore the world. We hope you've enjoyed this journey of discovery. If you found this video interesting and informative, don't forget to give us a like. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more exciting educational content. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring and learning, young learners. Goodbye.